calculated at standard conditions, we get standard electrode potential, right? So standard electrode potential is electrode potential at standard conditions. And what are the standard conditions? 25 degrees Celsius temperature, 1 molar solution. Molarity of the solution should be 1 molar, right? So standard electrode potentials we'll do in detail in next lecture. So now this is all about electrode potential, right? Now this oxidation and reduction reaction has resulted into, it is due to this oxidation and reduction reaction that these metal rods have acquired positive and negative sign, right?